Hey guys, and welcome back to another thrifting video. In today's video, I'm going to take you into two different thrift stores, and I'm going to show you around, and then I'm also going to show you a very small haul at the end of the video. Alright, so let's get into the video. So I thought I would check out a thrift store I have never been into before. I've drove by it several times, but I never stopped. So I did not buy anything in this thrift store, but I wanted to show you some of the footage. It was a little bit disorganized. I probably could have found some real treasures if I would have took the time and actually dug through some things, but I just kind of quickly browsed. But I definitely may go back in the future. I also stopped into the Restore. It's run by the Habitat for Humanity, and every now and then I get lucky and I find some pretty cool things in here, so I thought I would quickly take you along. So here is a little bit of footage from that store. So the first item I found was actually from the Restore, and I had been looking for this item. I needed a new plant stand, and I just wanted something simple. I got this one here. It was the perfect height, and it was only $3. So let me show you where I ended up using it. So I had this spot here in my bedroom. So I have this yucca plant here in the corner. I wanted to add a little bit more height in this corner, so I put the plant on a plant stand, and I think it looks a lot better. And I just have it here in the corner under a photo that I took a few years ago. The next thing I found happened to be one of Hannah's Christmas gifts that I gave to her, and it's just this really pretty little small canvas, and it was brand new. It says, "The world is your canvas, create your masterpiece," and this was only $2.99, so I bought this for her bedroom. We are planning really soon to do a bedroom makeover and bedroom tour of Hannah's room, so stay tuned for that video in the future. And the last thing I found was also for Hannah, and this was a Christmas gift, and it was this brand new Cranium board game, and this was only $3.98. And like I mentioned, it was brand new. It hadn't been opened before. It still had the plastic on it, And right now I just have it sitting on one of my bookshelves in my loft. And hopefully we can add a few more board games to our collection. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's thrifting video, and I'll see you in the next.